Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can limit the storage usage or maximum storage usage in your account on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So launch Microsoft Clipchamp on your device, like a desktop computer or laptop. And for this method, guys, you need to access your Clipchamp settings through that gear icon in the top right here in the video editor. Click into settings, and here what you want to do is navigate to local storage to the left. And under Let Clipchamp Use, click into the drop-down menu and decide how much storage you would like Clipchamp allowed to use, with 20%, 40, 60, 80, and even 100. So which one you go with is up to you. So for me it was set to 100% on default, so it may be necessary to switch to another of these options if you'd like to reduce or limit that maximum storage usage on your local disk, for instance, to save the video projects or video clips you create and edit here. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.